We are all very grateful to the UPA government, to the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Congress President, Honorable Congress Vice President, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chairman, Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha for having facilitated the passage of the bill on a separate state of Telangana. It is a pledge which we have fulfilled, and we thank all the members of Parliament who supported the passage of the bill. The passage of the bill could have been more in a congenial atmosphere if some of our friends in the Parliament could have participated in the debate like Mr. Chiranjeevi did, rather than going into the well and disturbing the proceedings of the House. We, as the Congress Party, are extremely grateful to the people of Andhra Pradesh for having elected us twice in the Assembly and the Parliament in 2004 and 2009, and the development of both regions of Seema Andhra and Telangana are very close to our heart. It was certainly a very painful decision, but what options did the Congress Party have when all political parties had given in writing that they support the separate state of Telangana? The TDP and the YSR, Congress, after giving a written recommendation, have gone back on their word. It is unfortunate that the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Kiran Reddy, who was elected unanimously by the Congress Legislature Party of Andhra Pradesh, which included the Telangana MLAs, unfortunately did not act as a statesman. Although I must admit that he belongs to a very old loyalist family of congressmen. His father was a minister, a very respected leader of Rayalaseema, Chittoor, and Kiran also has always been a very loyalist congressman, and his functioning as a speaker and even as a chief minister, except on the issue of Seema Andhra, has been quite laudable. The way he handled cyclone, floods, and to the extent that India today chose Andhra Pradesh government as one of the best run governments in the country, ahead of the much touted Gujarat, speaks volume of the good work the Andhra Pradesh government has done in Andhra Pradesh. Now that Telangana and Seema Andhra have become a reality, I would appeal to all those congressmen who have, for one reason or the other, moved out of the Congress party to come back to the Congress fold, and we are grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister and the UPA government that except for the demand of union territory for the city of Hyderabad, they have virtually conceded all the points and the issues which were demanded by the leaders of Seema Andhra. Whether it was a demand of a special category state or a special package to meet out the gap between the revenue and the expenditure of the new state of Seema Andhra, of giving the submerged areas of Khammam to the Seema Andhra Pradesh to facilitate the construct of Polavaram, setting up of all India institutions in Seema Andhra region, funding setting up of a new capital in Seema Andhra, constituting river boards of Krishna and Godavari, and looking after the interest of both the states for irrigation, and other such demands which were raised by the honorable members of Parliament of Seema Andhra and other political parties to address to the concerns raised by the people of Seema Andhra and the honorable members of Parliament from Seema Andhra. Now it is for the Home Ministry to decide and recommend to Honorable President to set a date for the new state of Telangana and new state of Seema Andhra to come into existence. We would like both the states to come into existence as early as possible. All efforts should be made to make the bifurcation as smooth as possible, and I would appeal to the people of Seema Andhra and Telangana, to the elected representative of Seema Andhra and Telangana to part as friends, because ultimately we all are Indians, and all those who have contributed to the growth of Hyderabad city and the state of Andhra Pradesh, United Andhra Pradesh, whether they are from Telangana region or Andhra Pradesh region, Seema Andhra region or Rayalaseema region, have contributed to make Andhra Pradesh as one of the leading states of the country. The time has come now for the Government of India to put the whole issue and the promises made by Honorable Prime Minister Honorable Finance Minister and Honorable Home Minister to put all these decisions on a fast track so that the orders to fulfill the promises are issued at the earliest. Honorable Vice President of the Congress Party, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, has conveyed that we should do our best to see that the feelings of all people from Seema Andhra and Telangana are assuaged, and we have a greater bonding between the two states, more than what we've had till now. The Congress Party stands committed to ensure all-round development of both the states, Telangana and Seema Andhra, who have been very supportive of the Congress Party from the very beginning, from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's time to Mrs. Indira Gandhi's time, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, and till date, Mr. Narasimha Rao's time, till date, the Congress Party stands committed for all-round development of both the successor states of Telangana and Seema Andhra. I've had a meeting with Shri Chandrasekhar Rao, and we've had preliminary discussions of the relationship between TRS and Congress Party, as he had committed that once the Telangana state is created, he is prepared to merge his party. He has called on the Congress President, and he has also called on the Vice President, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And it is our firm commitment to do our utmost to see that the hopes and aspirations of the people of Telangana are met with greatest vigor and the shortest possible time. I also appeal to all people of Telangana to be magnanimous in their approach and not create any situation which may unnecessarily bring doubts or some unpleasantness amongst the people who are not residents of Telangana region. Time is a great healer, and our effort should be to ensure that the people of Seema Andhra and Telangana prosper and both states become the leading states of this country. And I am absolutely certain that both states have got the greatest potential to be the leaders of the Indian Union in all fields of development. Thank you. One by one.
Who is the next CM?
1 second. We go clockwise.
Clockwise, sir. Who is the next CM? Who is the next CM?
Well, this is a thing which is being discussed, and you will come to know in the near future.
So will it be a merger or a people alliance, sir?
Well, that is something which will be decided.
What is the status of the talks?
What is the status
of the talks? What is the status of the talks between both parties?
Preliminary.
Sir, are you inviting
There is a
MPs?
feeling.
Sir?
There is a feeling. There is a feeling that is the people of Telangana has been struggling since 60 years. But all the provisions you have given to Seemandhra and only the remaining Telangana has
No,
been.
you forget that we have included in the bill that the backward regions of Telangana shall also get the same benefits. I have had discussions with Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, and he has also given a few charter of demands to Congress President, and we will be very happy to look at it. But the fact remains that it cannot become a part of the bill, so probably it will be taken up after due consideration.
Can Telangana state would be treated as special state like Seemandhra?
Well, the request has come through. Already in the bill, we have provided special incentives for backward regions of
Sir,
Telangana.
are you inviting the expelled MPs?
Are you inviting Kiran Kumar Reddy and those expelled MPs, those who departed with the party, back into the party?
As far as Kiran Reddy is concerned, he has not been expelled. He has voluntarily resigned. He is most welcome to come back. Now, as far as the other 6 members of parliament are concerned, who were expelled because of the signing on a no confidence motion, which was most undemocratic and unparliamentary and unheard of in the parliamentary history of this country. In spite of that, if they want to come back, the Congress party will look into the issue sympathetically.
Sir, are you confident that your chief minister that you are going to appoint will sustain the party? Because
We don't appoint
many of the MLAs
we don't appoint chief ministers. Chief ministers are elected by the legislature party.
Now, will he be able to gain the support of the members? Because many of them started going to others. Jumping has already started.
No, let me tell you one thing. The Congress party enjoys the majority, still enjoys the majority in the House of Andhra Pradesh Assembly.
Sir, are you confident of proving your numbers?
Are you forming the government?
When?
Or
This is
Will you take
this
the
is
support of TRS?
this is to be discussed, deliberated, and decided in due course of time. But the fact remains that the code of conduct may come in the first week of March. So we have to take a view whether the new incumbent government would have enough time to function.
Sir, are you appointing 2 PCCs?
Seemandhra ko
What is
Seemandhra ministers meeting.
You have any objection?
What is the agenda?
सीमांध्र का जो दिया है, जो पैकेज है, वो कागज में नहीं, बाकी में जो कार्य रूप डालना चाहिए, जो काम करके दिखाना चाहिए, बोल रहा था।
यही तो मैंने बोला
Sir,
ना।
as per TRS structure,
Sir, you are telling that 2 states will come into existence as early as possible. That means before the elections or after the
For the
elections?
schedule
Well,
or
this is to be decided by the Home Ministry, Government of India.
sir, as per
merger.
Your
PCC committees are going to be appointed or regional committees going to be
No, we will constitute the new Pradesh Congress committees for Seema Andhra and Telangana separately.
When, sir?
Well, very soon.
सीमांध्र का
as per
कैपिटल कब तक
TRS merger, people of that, Telangana and other leaders from who fought for Telangana, they want to have a party which takes their concerns. So in the due course of the reconstruction of Telangana, but as on the other hand, you want to merge it. So that is the.
Who's merging it?
No, you want to merge it, whatever KCR gave you.
No.
But they want to exist.
The point is,
Most of the Telangana people.
the point is that Congress party stands committed for all-round development of Telangana and Seema Andhra. And we have a certain ideology to follow. All political parties or political persons who support the Congress ideology are most welcome to come in.
Sir, what kind of relationship you want to have with TRS? No, you want to them have a friendly alliance, or you want them to be
Well,
an integral part of
as
your
I
party?
told you that These things are not decided in a press conference.
How many days will take to finalize the CM or president rule? How many days will take, sir, to